like I'm a pirate or something. All right, guys. Last break of the night, break number 6. By the way, we still have some personals if anybody wants. We have a couple of all right. We got a couple of certified football boxes that are loose if anybody's interested. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I think everything else is pretty much we got. Anyway. All right, here we go. Break 350.
Everything else is counted for.
Yep. Atlanta Hawks, Adam S., Walter S. with the Celtics, Hunter R. with the Nets, Dietmar with the Hornets, Robert S. with the Bulls, Jason L. Cavaliers, Justin T. Mavs, Christopher B. Nuggets, David B. Pistons, Fang with the Warriors, Paul S. with the Rockets, Zach M. with the Pacers, Adam S. with the Clippers, Shua with the Lakers, T. Hung, Grizzlies, Zach M. with the Heat, Chad C. with the Bucks, Eric V. Timberwolves, Michael F. Pelicans, Devin G. Knicks, Tiquan, OKC, Matthew D. Magic, Jacob, 76ers, Adam S., Suns, Blazers going to Eric B. Chris R. with the Kings, Stephen W. with the Spurs, Brian K. with the Raptors, Andrew N. with the Jazz, and Stephen W. with the Wizards. Good luck to everybody that won their teams. Let's find out one-on-one so I can make my man take a shot right before he gets in his car and drives home. No, I'm joking. Come on. I kid. All right, 4 boxes. We got this is a brand new case. These are the first four boxes. Out of that case. Pull some fire. Hey, I know these names.
Jalen Green Zebra. That's what Paul wants.
Oh, Paul, thank you for joining chat and telling us he wants a zebra. Who else is in chat? There's 34 people. Call out your teams. Call out your players. It's so much more fun. I promise you. It's so much more fun.
I guarantee it.
I guarantee it. The one-on-one loading.
Zebra.
Come on, everybody. Everybody, clap your hands. This is nice.
Yeah.
Maybe. Come on, select. Let's not beat around the bush. Let's get some fire. All right, here we go. Here we go. It's been a while since I opened. Make sure that it looks good on camera. All right, here we go. Darius, Kyle Kuzma, Jalen Suggs, rookie. There you go. Orlando on the board with their first rookie. And we have a Delano Banton rookie. This is a scope for Toronto Raptors. There you go, Delano. Drew. Anthony Davis. Zion. Shaquille O'Neal. Another one of these 75th, but at least they got the right company.
Another one. The right company.
I mean, how many times can you do 75 years? Ooh, nice. We got a Josh Giddey. White to 149.
Right off the bat.
Josh Giddey, OKC. Little white action. 57 of 149.
I love those. That threw me off. I thought it was 25.
Oh, not anymore. Kevin Durant. Russell. Luka Doncic. Bojan. And we got a Maxey to 25. Look at that. Beautiful.
Courtside?
Yeah, it's a tie-dye courtside. Tie-dye courtside, 17 of 25, Tyrese Maxey. Who's been balling out. Beating my damn Bulls today. Congratulations, Philadelphia. That's Jacob. That is very nice.
Hold it.
Sorry. Quentin Grimes, New York Knicks.
It's just that.
Carl Anthony. All right, Primo, rookie, no longer in the league, got kicked out, San Antonio. Davion Mitchell, 75 years of the NBA. A tricolor, Tobias Harris, wave, not numbered, for 76ers. McCall, Trey, Donovan. Bones Highland auto. There you go, silver. Bones Highland for the Denver Nuggets. Christopher B. Nice Bones Highland auto. 149 to 249. Krispy Kreme. Kemba, Keon Johnson for the Clippers, Jimmy Buckets, Isaiah Jackson, filler, a Chris Paul, silver, Phoenix Suns, and Tyler Hero courtside. Let me get that tie-dye. That looks awesome. Call out your teams. Call out your players. Come on. What do you guys want to see? Get some awesome autos in here. Besides the zebra, right? What was the zebra of again? Do you remember? Buddy? What was the zebra that somebody called out for? What was the name of the player?
Jalen Green.
Oh, Jalen Green. Okay. Jalen Green. Paul said Jalen Green. Nikola Vucevic, KD, Joe Harris, filler, Josh Giddey, silver premier level, Franz Wagner, courtside, Victor, Quentin Grimes, rookie, Jeff Teague. Holy crap, that's an interesting patch for the Pacers. The throwback patch. Purple. The 99, 20 of 99. Indiana Pacers throwback. Looks like shag carpet or something. We got a scope of Drew Holiday. That's a premier level from Milwaukee. Luka Doncic. Krispy Kreme rookie for Wizards. Jordan. Deshaun. Carmelo Anthony tricolor. Bones rookie for Denver. Derek. Cade Cunningham rookie. Rajon. Jalen Suggs silver rookie. Prism. Ray. Chris. Lex Caruso. Jalen. Scotty Barnes. There you go. Tricolor. Scotty Barnes for Toronto. Brian K. Very nice. Very nice tricolor rookie. Scotty Barnes. Steph Curry. Trent. Nikola. And as CJ McCollum, we got a Portland Trailblazer CJ McCollum patch. That is apparently not numbered. It is not numbered. It's game used, so cool. Anthony Davis, silver. Donovan Mitchell. Spider. All right, that was box one. Come on. What were the three autos?
There's no.
Three memorabilia or autos?
Yeah.
Got it. So we only got one auto?
Yep.
Two memorabilia? Got it. Understood. In control. So, what are you guys feeling about the NBA so far? We've got about, 6 games under our belt, give or take? 5, 6 games? What are you guys feeling? I know it's early.
The Lakers suck.
The Lakers suck? Is that what you said? Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't know what is going on with the Lakers anymore. But obviously we've got Memphis is doing well. Love my Memphis. The Bulls are, man, they're just losing barely. Kind of sucks.
Trade LeBron is trending, is what I heard.
Trade LeBron? He doesn't want to go. He said he wants to play with his son.
I know, but that's because the fans are
asking
for it.
You blaming LeBron on this?
Yeah.
Luka Garza for Detroit rookie. Bones Highland rookie for Denver. Trey Mann, OKC.
He's the one that created this one.
Well, yeah, but LeBron. Scotty Barnes. Scotty doesn't know silver. Rookie. Zaire Williams courtside for Memphis. Isaiah Todd. Davion Mitchell. And who we got here? Joe Wieskamp. Oh, this is a beautiful, I caught it. Joe Wieskamp. This is one of those autos of a tie-dye for the Spurs. Is Joe even playing? 12 of 25. 12 of 25, Joe Wieskamp. Beautiful card. This card is slippery as fuck. Santi Aldama, red for Memphis. Number 2, 199, 27 of 199. Is that Moses Brown, Kyrie Irving? Guess I have it upside down again. Ja is the man, I agree. James Bonite, rookie for Charlotte. Steph Curry. Speaking of LeBron, tricolor. LeBron James for the Lake Show. Jalen Johnson for Atlanta. Montrez, Zach, Day'Ron Sharpe for the Nets. Carmelo Anthony Silver for the Lake Show. Devin, Laurie, Josh Christopher for the Rockets. 75 years, KD. Zaire Williams, tricolor rookie. That's going to be a premier level. Cade Cunningham, rookie. TJ Warren, Santi Aldama, Memphis. Josh Giddey, beautiful silver auto for OKC. We're getting some good autos. 2 autos at least in this.
OKC fire.
OKC's on fire. Well, we got an OKC auto and a Joe Wieskamp auto. And a Bones auto. Okay. Crispy. Yusuf Nurkic. I want to see Ja get to the finals. He just, to me, he seems like the most. By the way, I can talk about Ja now. We're doing basketball. Ja is by far the most exciting player, in my view, to watch. Right now, at least. He is for sure exciting. Luka, Bojan, Nikola Vucevic, a Isaiah Stewart scope, premier level for Detroit. Duncan Robinson, KD, Joe Harris, Victor Oladipo, tricolor Jason Tatum, Chris Duarte, rookie for Indiana, Quentin Grimes, New York, Corey Krispy Kreme for Washington, a Gordon Hayward patch for Charlotte. These are not numbered, apparently. Julius Randle Silver, New York. Al Horford, Jordan Clarkson, Jashawn Tate, Bill Russell, 75 years. Ooh, I love this color. JT Thor for Charlotte, rookie to 299, 70 to 299. Do they call this blue or aqua? Who knows? Jaylen Brown, Derek, Kate Cunningham again, Rajon Rondo, a white Tobias Harris for Philadelphia. That is to 149, 12 of 149. Franz Wagner rookie, Delano Banton rookie, Ant-Man, Jalen Green, there's Jalen, rookie, another one of these. There's D'Angelo Russell Silver, Premier, and Andre Iguodala, courtside. All right, at least we got a nice auto. Josh Giddey and a Joe Wieskamp. All right, box 3, guys. I was about to say, hey, join us tomorrow night.
The way you said it, at least we got a nice
Well, because it was 2 autos, right? It's, you don't know, you got 2 nice autos. Yeah, 1 box. We got an extra auto, and the way I look at it. Expect the worst. Plan for the best. No, plan for the worst. Expect the best. Something like that. Some bumper sticker I read.
You're stuck in traffic?
Yeah, well, that happens a lot. You know. I ain't got to tell you. You're stuck in traffic all the time. Ooh, I'm going to take that out because it's backwards. We got a gold Patrick Williams for the Chicago Bulls. There you go, Robert S. Nice Patrick Williams gold. 7 of 10. Second year Patrick. Yeah, I didn't want to. When they put it backwards, I'm always scared they're going to fall. Thanks, Andrew. We appreciate it. Did we just pull a nice Jazz card, or was that last? Oh, it was the other break. Yeah. Oh man. Let's see what else we got in this crazy stuff. You think they're gonna do select
I hope they don't do
retail? And remember last year they made those nice blue retail ones, and it totally ruined it.
Ruin the hobby value.
Yeah, literally ruined everything. Damn you, Panini.
Well, they don't.
Joe Harris, Victor Oladipo, 75 years of Nikola Joker. Nice little die cut of Onyeka Okongwu for the Hawks to 249, 205 to 249. That is a blue die cut. Scotty Barnes, rookie. Quentin Grimes, rookie. Corey Krispy Kreme Crisper. Jordan Clarkson. Andrew Wiggins. Alex Caruso. Jaylen Brown. Grant Jr. Are you choking? Cameron Thomas. Silver. Premier level for the Nets. I think that's what I'm supposed to ask.
Is that a verbal, like...
I think I'm supposed to ask. Sadiq Bey. Nicola. Anthony Davis. I did my part. You know what I mean? Zion, another die cut. I like I just asked. I didn't really do anything. Karis LeVert, red for Indiana to 175, 137 to 175. Nice little die cut. DeAndre Ayton, Russell Westbrook, Luka, Bojan, Desmond Bain. He's a beast. Tricolor from Memphis. LeBron James, Nicola, KD. Vince Carter. What? For Dallas. Check that out. And this one's numbered 44 to 49. Like a copper or bronze. It's a bronze patch. 44 to 49. He played like what for 22 teams? Luka Doncic silver. And Joshua Primo Spurs rookie.
Travis, that's not the man. That's not puff puff pass. I was, choking, and the man's like, he read a sign in the break room. He's like, I guess I'll ask someone one day.
Yeah, I read that. Like literally, that's what you said. Like step one, ask them, are you choking? Even though they can't talk to you, right? Because they're like. Chad said they should do blue retail again. It puts more value on hobby. So maybe these guys that go and buy all the retail will cut back on it. I think it's the whole buying retail thing is definitely not what it was. The shelves are stocked again. But what the problem with the blue last year was they were so nice that they took away from the hobby, the hobby base. And it was like, why would you even want to, for the 2 extra or 3 cards? People were collecting the megas and the blasters and all that. So I don't know. We'll see what they do. But certainly the retail market is not what it used to be by any means. We'll see, though. Darius Garland, Kyle Kuzma, 75 years, Paul Pierce. Interesting picture of Paul. Jason Tatum, tricolor, I should say. Andre Drummond, who's on the Bulls now. I don't know why. Jalen Suggs, rookie. Chris Paul. A Moses Moody for the Dubs, 115 to 249. Silver auto of Moses Moody for Fang. Congrats, Fang. Moses Moody, silver auto to 249. RJ Barrett, Phenom or Phenomenon. Insert. Zaire Williams, Memphis. Jashante, Derrick Rose. Cade again. We need a better Cade. Come on, let's get a nice Cade. Russell Westbrook, silver. Danilo Gallinari, Rajan. Dalano Banton again for the Raptors. Bojan Bogdanovic to 25. Check that patch out. Bojan throwback patch for the Utah Jazz. There you go, Andrew. See? The 25 tie-dye. 17 of 25, Bojan Bogdanovic. Throwback tie-dye jersey. There you go. Paul's like, I need that Jalen Green, though. That is a badass patch. It looks cool. Very orangey in person. How about that Patrick Williams rainbow starting? Blue Patrick Williams to 299, 221 to 299 concourse. Precious. Anthony Edwards, Jalen Green. There's Jalen Green, rookie. Isaiah Todd, Cam Thomas for Brooklyn, tricolor. Zion, Davian Mitchell, Sack Kings, rookie. Kyrie, James Bonite, rookie. Devontae Graham, silver. That's going to be a premiere. And Lonzo. Lonzo's still out, right?
Yes.
All right, final box. Come on. Man wants a zebra. Is it so hard? He wants a zebra Jalen Green. I mean, it's not like it. That should be pretty easy to hit, right? No? Hobby exclusive zebra prism. Well, let's hit one of those zebras now. It'll be a good time. Well, we still have 8 boxes of this particular case, but still. Why not now? Is how I say it. Why not now? Thank you guys again for joining us on this awesome Saturday night. We truly appreciate you guys hanging in there this late. We have 6 breaks tonight, so it's usually not this late, but hey, we're having a good time.
There we go.
We had some basketball tonight, which is crazy because we never have this much basketball. We had football. The one thing we don't have is soccer. Usually we have that.
Sorry, Tyler.
Sorry. But we're working on it. We're working on getting a whole bunch of stuff for next week and the week after. So thank you for swinging by. Wax Zone. Tobias, DeMontis, a Cassius Stanley to 299, 203 to 299. In flight. Demon coming out. In flight silver auto for Indiana. Congrats, Indiana. That's Zach. And a Kemba Walker red die cut for the New York Knicks, and that is to 175, 174 to 175. Hawaii to Claw, Kelly Oubre, Jericho Sims, that's Knicks, Herbie Jones, Pelicans, Patrick Williams. I'm telling you, someone's better start that rainbow. Patrick Williams, Chicago Bulls, tricolor. Davion Mitchell, rookie. Dame Lillard, Christian Wood, Sangan, rookie. Jamal Murray, silver, concourse. I'm sorry, Premier, not concourse. Kyrie, Miles Bridges, Brandon Ingram, Pascal Siakam, 75 years. Clint Capella, tricolor. James Harden, Jaren Jackson Jr., Franz Wagner, rookie, and a Jalen Suggs auto silver. There you go, Orlando. Matthew, nice Jalen Suggs silver. Very nice card. Congratulations to first one off the line, 1 of 249. Is that his jersey number 1? Can't tell what his damn jersey number is. Or is it 4? Who knows Jalen? Is it Jalen number 1? And I mean his jersey number. Could be a jersey hit. Ooh, nice little En Fuego insert of Kyrie. Russell. Amias Cueto, rookie. Anthony Simons. Oh, it's 4. That's what I thought. Zaire Williams, Memphis. Jason Tatum, silver. And a Josh Giddey, courtside. All right. Last packs. He said Jalen Green, damn it. Wrong Jalen. I'm trying. I swear, Paul, I'm trying. I really, really am. Okay. All right. Last stack incoming, guys. And then we'll see you guys again on Friday. Unless we see you on Thursday. Never know. Depends on what we get. Desmond Bain, Cam Thomas, rookie. Thor. Nice LeBron James orange. Die cut. to 65. 37 to 65. LeBron James for the Lake Show. Like the purple and orange. Rookie Lopez. Giannis. Bam. There's a Jalen Johnson rookie. Trey Murphy for the Pelicans. Tricolor. Blake Griffin. Scotty Barnes rookie. Carmelo. And man, this looks sick. To 25. Check out that patch. Another tie-dye patch for the Pacers. Domantas Sabonis for Indiana. Zach. Sweet patch right there. We've had our share of tie-dyes, huh? They do look sick. It's a fatty, too. And a LeBron James silver. James Bouknight rookie for Charlotte. Julius Randle. Trey Murphy. 75 years of Suggs. It is number 4. Ayo Dosunmu blue die cut for the Chicago Bulls. Bulls having a nice break. 235 to 249. Rudy Gobert, Patrick Williams, Moses Moody rookie. Kawhi. A Alfred Payton for the Suns. This is a scope. Karis LeVert, Jason Tatum, LeBron James, Josh Giddey rookie. Kawhi, silver, and a Cam Reddish courtside. All right, guys, let's recap. Just the first 4 boxes. There's 8 more boxes to go. They're numbered. Yeah. So we have Ayo die cut to 249. Domantas Sabonis, beautiful patch for to 25, 14 of 25 tie dye. LeBron James orange die cut to 65 and Fuego insert of Kyrie, not numbered. Kemba Walker red, numbered to 175 die cut. Patrick Williams blue to 299. A beautiful Bojan for the Jazz patch throwback tie-dye to 25. Karis LeVert red die cut to 175. Onyeka Okongwu blue die cut to 249. Patrick Williams gold to 10. 7 of 10. JT Thor blue to 299. Tobias Harris white to 149. A Josh Giddey rookie white to 149. Some patches. Vince Carter, that's a bronze to 49. Gordon Hayward silver, not numbered. TJ McCollum, and a purple Jeff Teague to 99. And we got what happened?
Oh no, I thought you were.
We have this beautiful Tyrese Maxey courtside to 25 tie-dye. Jalen Suggs silver auto 249, 1 of 249. This Cassius Stanley in-flight silver to 299, 203 to 299 for Indiana, horizontal in-flight. Moses Moody for the Dubs, silver prism auto, rookie to 249. Bones Highland rookie, silver prism, 249. A Josh Giddey, silver prism, auto to 249. A lot of nice rookie autos. And a Joe Viscom to 25 for the Spurs. That's a tie-dye. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Really appreciate you. Tyler, thank you as always. Paul, perhaps next time we'll see if we can get you that Jalen. Hopefully you guys catch us next week. Appreciate you. Have a great rest of the weekend. Good luck on your fantasy football if you're into that. Check you out next week. Good night.
Good night, everyone. Be safe. Thank you again.